I planned my entire week in 4 minutes this morning. 47 tasks, 3 meetings, 2 deadlines, all auto-scheduled into my calendar before my coffee was cold. No dragging blocks around. No, when do I do this? The AI did it. And the part that saves me the most time isn't the scheduling. It's what happens when my day blows up at 2 p.m. I'll show you that fix later. It's the reason I still pay for this. The tool is Motion. Here's exactly how I run it. You open Motion and you don't touch your calendar. You add tasks. For each task, you type 3 things: how long it takes, when it's due, and the priority. So I type write Thursday's script, 90 minutes, due Wednesday, hi. That's it. Then Motion does the thing manual planners can't. It looks at every task, every meeting, every deadline, and it builds your week automatically. It dropped that script into Tuesday 9 a.m. because that's my deep work window, and it knew Wednesday was already packed. Here's where it gets useful. You add a recurring task, client outreach, 30 minutes every weekday. Motion finds 30 minutes each day and protects it. You never plan it again. That alone replaced my entire Sunday planning ritual. Now the part 1 promised. A meeting runs long, or a fire starts at 2 p.m. In any normal calendar, your whole afternoon is now wrong and you replan by hand. In Motion, you hit reschedule. 1 click, and it re-optimizes everything. The 90-minute task that got bumped slides to tomorrow's open slot automatically around your fixed meetings. That's the difference between a calendar and an assistant. A 20-minute manual replan becomes 1 click. 3 settings that make this actually work. 1. Set your work hours and a hard stop. Mine ends at 6. Motion will literally refuse to schedule past it and tell you a deadline is at risk instead of silently overloading you. That warning is gold. You find out Monday you can't hit Friday, not Thursday night. 2. Use deadlines, not start times. Amateur schedule, do this at 10 a.m. You just tell Motion when it's due and let it place the work. That's what unlocks the auto-rescheduling. 3. Connect your real calendars, Google, Outlook, all of them. Motion schedules around existing meetings so it never double books. Takes 90 seconds in settings. Now the AI layer everyone misses. Motion has an assistant where you type in plain English. I type block 2 hours for the investor deck before Thursday, split into 2 sessions. It creates the tasks, sets the duration, and schedules them. You're talking to your calendar instead of building it. And a new agent feature connects to your email and meetings. It'll pull action items out of a Zoom call and turn them into scheduled tasks automatically. You finish a call, the follow-ups are already on your calendar with time blocked. No notes, no, I'll add it later. Here's the honest part nobody tells you. Motion is not cheap. It's around $30 to $40 a month. If you've got 10 tasks a week, skip it, use a to-do list. This pays off when you're juggling 40-plus tasks across projects, and your real problem is, when does this fit? That's exactly when manual planning eats 2 hours of your Sunday. And one warning, don't dump 80 tasks in on day 1. Motion will pack every minute and it feels suffocating. Start with this week only. Add durations that are honest. If a task takes 2 hours, don't say 1. Garbage in, garbage schedule. Here's the workflow I actually run. Friday afternoon, brain dump every task for next week. Type fast, don't organize. Add durations and deadlines. Hit auto schedule. Done in 5 minutes. Then I never plan again. When things move, 1 click fixes the week. The real unlock isn't speed. It's that you stop holding your whole week in your head. That mental load, what am I forgetting on? The system holds it. If you want the leverage without the price tag, the closest free path is Google Calendar plus an AI prioritizer, but you lose the auto reschedule, and that's the whole magic. Subscribe, because tomorrow I'm showing you how to wire an AI agent to your inbox that drafts replies and schedules the follow-ups for you, fully hands-off. Your one next step today: open Motion or any calendar and add just 3 tasks with real durations and deadlines. Watch where it puts them. That single test tells you if this changes how you work.